Hey, what is up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Melita. In today's video I decided that I'm gonna get a little bit excited for the spring. The past few days here in Belgium it has been like quite nice weather. It's not that cold anymore, the sun has been shining, and I decided that I'm gonna glam up a little bit today for the spring using more or less like mostly spring colors. So there will be a lot of peachy, a lot of pink, a little bit of green, and of course a blinding highlighter, as you guys can see that. So I think without further ado we can jump right into the tutorial. So I'm going to start applying my foundation. This is from Catrice Cosmetics, an HD foundation. Before I started recording, I already put on my color correcting because I have a few breakouts on my face. Even though I'm a little bit more active on my skincare routine, actually, video will be uploaded. I decided that I want a very full ass coverage, so I went on and applied another layer of the foundation. This is really good actually, because this foundation you can layer on from medium to full ass coverage. Now I'm going to move on to my concealer. The concealer I'm using is from MUA. From MUA. And I like it. I have been using it for quite a while. It's actually a concealer palette. It's a bit of a greasy kind of product, but it gives an awesome coverage, and it mostly doesn't move the foundation either. And I'm just going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. It's actually very easy to blend out, so that's also another reason why I'm loving this product lately. And I bought it quite a while ago and it's still almost full, so yeah, gotta give it that, you know. After I'm done blending out, I'm going to move on to my contouring. I'm using my trustworthy Essence Cosmetics contouring and highlighting palette, sorry. And I'm just going to go on and chisel my cheekbones. For my nose, I don't like to use this brush, and I mostly use a contouring stick. Right now I'm using a contouring stick from Catrice Cosmetics. The other end of the stick is a highlighter, which I'm not really using. I don't use highlighters like cream highlighters. I don't know why. Maybe I should. I don't know. What's your experience with it? Have you tried cream highlighters? Are they good? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with an mattifying powder from Catrice Cosmetics. I have been using it also for quite a while. Love it, love it, love it. And we are going to bake. I actually almost out of my banana powder from W7, but I think next week I'm going to go to the drugstore and to some other places and do a bigger makeup haul, because it has been a while, so I think that's gonna be my next one. So now that I successfully look like a clown, I'm going to move on to my eyes. I already did my eyebrows off camera though, but you know, who cares? My eyebrows, just my eyebrows. And I like to pat it out with my fingers. I mean the not my eyebrows, my eyeshadow primer. And for setting the primer itself, I'm going to use a palette which I got from Call Me Lyles, and I like it's the lightest shade from the palette I'm using. And then I'm moving on to the All About the Magical Forest eyeshadow palette from Essence, and I'm mixing the orangey shade with the purpley shade, and I'm bringing it right up into my crease. My lighting is quite off here though, I'm sorry about that, but you can see what I'm doing. Pretty much I'm just bringing it up in my crease, blending, and then I'm going to intense the color a little bit around it with the orangey shade because I don't know, it just looks nicer in a spring makeup look. And then I'm going on with the pink shade and no, the green shade, and bring it under, like on the moving part of my eyelid, and on the inner corner I'm going in with the nice pink shade. And like this I like it because it's quite colorful, but the colors are still looking nice together. And as a highlighting shade I'm using the white one. I'm just looking for my my brush, and I've got it. So that little white highlighter shade, I'm using it in the inner corner and right under my brow bone. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm seriously loving this. Yeah, there you go. And now I'm just gonna do lashes and my other eyes off camera. Now that it's done, how fast, right? I'm going to brush off all the excess powder from baking my beautiful face. And afterwards I'm going to move right into bronzing. For bronzer I'm using from New York Color Cosmetics that big bold bronzer. I think that's how they call it, I don't know, but I'm actually lately using this one more because it is a bit warmer than the one from Essence. Although Essence still has lots of product in it, I can't use it up. I don't know, they really put a lot of product in it. And then I'm moving on to my favorite part, the highlighter. I'm using the Unicorn's Heart highlighter, which I have also used in previous tutorials, and I don't think I need to explain why I'm using this. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It has an awesome glow and I think 6 different colors in it. I'm mixing the pink and the like goldish yellowish shade in it, and just highlight my high point of my face and my nose and the bridge of my nose and my forehead and everything. Oh, I could like literally shower in this highlighter. I would highlight everything. So cool. Look at that glow. For blush, I'm using a blush from Estee Lauder and I'm loving it. Like, look at how cute that package is, and it's a little bit orangey, which I think really matches with my eyeshadow and the whole look all together, and gives my face a little bit more of a fresh look, which is perfect for spring. For my lips I'm using I don't know what the shade's name is, but the lip liner is from Essence. I have no idea. I will link it down below. I will look at what shade is this, and I'm just gonna overline my lips, but I'm not gonna fill them in with this liner because for that I have a really great acrylic lipstick, acrylic liquid lipstick, voila, from MUA in the shade Unwrapped, and I'm actually loving it because it has a little bit of an orangey undertone, and it is very pretty, very, I don't know, altogether it gives my look a very fresh ending. There you go. And I'm just gonna set everything and make sure everything is nicely blended and set, and there you go, the look is complete. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down there, because I'm getting closer to 8,000 subscribers and I want to get that like before April, if that's possible, or like before the end of April, something like that. So I know we can do it. And yeah, ooh, I can't wait till the summer. Like, I'm already so excited that it's springtime and it's not cold and rainy anymore, and I just can't wait to bring out some nice summer dresses again, and sunglasses, and be more outside and just not being cooked up in the apartment, because seriously this winter has been terribly cold, like especially here in Belgium. I don't know about where you live. How was your winter? Let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I'm just so excited for the spring. I hope you guys like this little look I created, because I'm living for it. I literally have no idea where I'm going to go today or what am I going to do today, but I will show this off. Like, oh, I'm always loving a good highlighter. So I think that's enough of my rambling, and I love you guys as always, and see you next time. Bye bye.